Hi everyone, my name is Wayne, and my topic is about the genetically modified food and its ethical problems. So genetically modified food means that people put some genes that didn't belong to the original crop in the crop through genetic engineering technology, so that this species has a functional form that it didn't originally have. The advantage of genetically modified food is to increase the variety of food through gene transformation, thus improving the quality of food. So since 1994, Monsanto subsidiary company Colgene developed a genetically modified crop storage resistant tomato that was approved for marketing, creating a genetically modified food business. And we are now in a crisis-ridden risk society, and various negative effects in the process of modernization are increasingly apparent. In the field of genetics, in order to speed up the improvement of animal and plant variety, transgenic technology, which is not limited by the genetic relationship between species and can be operated and transferred accurately, come into being and solve the problem of genetically hybridization. However, due to the complexity and unpredictability of the technology itself, people are full of controversy about its application value at this stage. Should we trust or be wary of it? So I think in the current period, the technology of genetically modified food is not fully mature, and it may bring some, ethic problems to the whole society. So I think it cannot be applied. An important issue in philosophy research is the relationship between technology and ethics. In modern society, the technical value is increasingly highlighted as the value of economic interest. However, when the technical value conflicts with ethical choices, the technical value is often denied because people naturally have serious worries and general rejection of unnatural products. The instability and immaturity of the development of transgenic technology makes the application results of technology unpredictable on the ethical scale and become a combination risks, causing a series of ethical puzzles which can be specifically analyzed from three dimensions of like value domain, object domain, and subject domain. Firstly, from the perspective of the value orientation of humanities, when the actual utility of technology application is contrary to the human value orientation, ethical risk will become an invited guest. For example, genetically modified food will bring some unpredictable biologic mutations and will produce some high levels of hormones and neurotoxins in foods. So long-term consumption and genetically modified food will pose a potential threat to infectious disease. And secondly, from the point of view of natural value and environmental justice, the appearance of genetically modified commodities deprives the objective value of natural environment to participate in social practice and easily lead to gene drift of the same species and gene pollutions of different species, such as species extinction, virus attack, and biodiversity decline, and so on, which destroy the stable natural ecosystem, break the organic balance of the complex ecosystem of human natural society, impacts the harmonious relationship among the ecosystem, social system, and economic system. And third, from the perspective of the responsibility and morality of research subjects, researchers often pursue the value of gains while seeking the truth, respect different moral interests of the ethical subjects, and realize communication and interaction on the principle of justice. Besides, when Jews and Muslims hate foods containing pig genes, we have cultivated transgenic animals with different animal genes, such as sheep with pig or corn genes, which will lead to some religious problems. And when the safety of genetically modified food is still inconclusive, it is a matter of consumers' right to, health and information to promote genetically modified food in the market and let consumers eat them without knowing it. And disrespect for rights is also a violation of morality. We should apply the theory of responsible research and innovation, adhere to the integrity, sustainability, inclusiveness, and the future of scientific research, continuously meet people's need at different time on the time axis, and realize the dynamic regulation of ethics on scientific research. So this is my topic about genetically modified food.